In this video, I will teach you how to put location on Snapchat. So first, go to settings here and then search for applications. Here we got apps and let's go for Snapchat. Let's go scroll down to Snapchat here. Okay, here's Snapchat. Open this one and go to permissions. Here, permissions. As you can see, I give the permission to the location here. It's not allowed, so once we click here and allow all the time or allow only while using the app, you can do this wherever you want. In my case, I'm gonna make it allow only while using the app. Okay, let's go back to Snapchat once again. So let's go, for example, and pick up this picture. Here, click on this one. So what we're gonna do here, just go and swipe to the left or right. Yes, just keep swiping to the right side. Here, filters for your own time. So you just click on allow. And then you're gonna see Snapchat wants to use your location. Click on allow once again. And now what we're gonna do here, we're gonna close Snapchat application and we're gonna open it once again. So let's go and open Snapchat once again. It should be automatically came to this picture once again because we didn't save it or go to the next process. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna click on this sticker icon and here we go. As you can see, we got location, just click on it and you can choose your location or search for a specific location. So don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Also, let me know down in the comments below if the video was helpful, and thanks for watching.